Pixelmator Pro 3.0 Muse introduces built-in ultra-premium mockups to Pixelmator Pro, and in this video, we'll take a look at how you can customize them to showcase your designs. From now on, when you open Pixelmator Pro, you'll find an all-new Templates browser. At the bottom of the sidebar on the left, you'll find a Mockups category. If you want to learn about the templates included in this update, make sure to check out our video on how to use design templates. In the Mockups section of the browser, you'll find device mockups and a variety of print mockups. Click to select a mockup, and on the right, you'll see some more details about it. With some mockups, you'll also find a pop-up menu. Here, you can select different formats and sizes. Now, let's open a mockup and see how you can add your designs and customize its look. Let's start with placing a design into a mockup. To do that, simply click the plus button to choose an image from your Photos library or another location on your Mac. All the formats supported by Pixelmator Pro will work here, including layered Pixelmator Pro documents. This means you can easily place layered designs directly into a mockup. Now let's check out the new Document Colors feature. You can easily change the color scheme of a mockup using the built-in color palettes. Each mockup already includes specially designed bright, dark, and colorful palettes. But you can also change any individual color to match the colors of your design. Adjust the colors in any way you like, enter a color code, use color swatches, or simply use the eyedropper to pick colors directly from your own design. Mockups also feature customizable lighting effects. Click the Alternatives button to choose from beautiful effects that will make your design stand out. Lighting effects include direct light, diffuse light, plant shadows, and more, so you'll always find something that works for you. The customizable mockups in Pixelmator Pro 3.0 make it incredibly easy to showcase your designs and see them in their best light, so we hope you'll love these additions to Pixelmator Pro.